Kimoni Bailey, man of the match performance today. Could you just tell us, what went well with you in the game today?
What went well? I just decided that I'm going there to give my like 100%. So, which that's what I do in every game. You know what I mean? So that's just basically it.
Any key instruction from the coach in this game versus Tivoli? Well, Tivoli is a good team, good attacking-minded coach. So it will be difficult. Any instruction from coaching staff?
Well, yeah, there's a lot of instruction, but it's not more like tactical. It's more like work ethic. You know what I mean? Go out there and work and believe that we can do it. We need to just push hard. You know what I mean?
So, what's your assessment of your performance today?
What did I say? It was a perfect one. You know what I mean? Could be better, but we just have to work on it. You know
A very physical game. How you manage, especially condition on the pitch? How difficult was it?
Well, it's not difficult, we've been there, you know what I mean? We play a lot of games like this, hard rain, slippery field, but you just have to get your mind to it, you know what I mean? Physical, we're used to it, that's it, so yeah.
Thank you very much, Kimone.
All right, thank you. Yeah.